All right, we're going to go install a part that John just bought at the show. It's going to be pretty in-depth, so you guys stick around for this install video.
Yes. It's very in-depth.
That was your daughter. I was about to kick her foot. I saw the blonde hair.
I did too.
All right, John. What do we have to do first?
So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to. Well, let me start over.
Okay. Yeah.
So the first thing we have to do is we really need to open this pack.
Okay.
Okay. So just open the pack.
Purchase these from Fox Resto, correct?
Yes, parts from Fox Resto. Absolutely. Purchased directly from Jen.
Yep.
So these have to be installed, and you just basically find the hole.
There we go.
Push them bad boys in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been missing these for 2 years, and it just dawned on me that I need to go purchase some.
Yep.
So here we go. Stay tuned for more.
All right. Now the car is complete, right?
Complete. Yes. Complete.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Thanks for watching this install video. It's pretty in-depth. It's probably, what is this, like, what level is this install?
It's got to be at least level 3.
Yeah, this is a level 3 install,
Yeah.
so be careful, take your time, and get it done right.
Exactly.